Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. I hope you all are doing great. In today's recipe, we are going to see chicken momos. I have displayed all the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe on the screen for your reference. You can check that out. I am taking around 250 to 300 grams boneless chicken, cutting into small pieces, washing it thoroughly 3-4 times and then making a paste out of it and keeping aside. I am taking some maida all-purpose flour in a bigger size bowl. I am adding some salt and I am kneading the atta as we need for the chapati. Do remember that do not make it too soft. It has to be little hard or medium. Just make a thumb rule that when you roll the atta, you don't have to use the dry flour. You can apply some oil if it's sticky, but then do not use dry flour. Alright, so just apply some oil on the atta and just keep it aside for an hour. Cover it with a damp cloth. Well, let's see how to do the filling, how to prepare the filling. Now I'm taking that chicken mixture into a bowl. I'm adding half a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon soya sauce, half a tablespoon red chili sauce. If you don't have red chili sauce, you have green chili sauce, you can use that. And less than half a tablespoon vinegar. Don't put so much vinegar, it will make the filling sour. And according to your taste, you can add salt. I'm adding one onion chopped into small pieces. I'm also adding one green chili finely chopped. And some MSG. MSG is also known as Ajinomoto. Mix all of them together, keep it aside. Now take the dough, make small bowls and roll them as we roll it for puris. Well, I'm here rolling 1 or 2 bigger size chapatis and I'm cutting them with the help of a bowl or with the help of a glass into a small circles. This way I get in same size and round shaped circles, puris. This way the work also becomes less. So however you are convenient, you can do like that. You can roll them individually, the small bowls. However you like, you can do it. Just take that one puri in your hand, on your palm. Place some filling onto it and just fold it half and seal the edges as I'm showing you in the video. There are so many shapes that we can give it to our momos. There is one potli shape that's the shape usually they make it. I personally prefer the easiest and the beautiful one, which I'm making here. You can see just folding it into half and sealing the edges. Whichever shape you are making, you might invent a new shape as well, but you have to ensure that the edges are sealed properly. Alright, so once you are done with all the momos, then just boil some water in a steamer and brush some oil to the sieve and then place the momos into the sieve. If you are making it into 2 layers, like you have so many momos and you are steaming it into 2 layers, then apply some oil to the first layer and then place the second layer. Otherwise they'll stick to each other, they'll break. Here I am making this filling for 2 to 3 people, therefore I am only taking chicken. If you have a big family and you want to make more filling, then you can add some vegetables like zucchini or spring onions or cabbage, but do not add so much vegetables. 1/4 of the chicken you can add. Like if you are using taking 1 kilo chicken, then you can add 250 grams. Just place the sieve on the steamer and cook it about 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. Your yummy momos are ready to have it with Szechuan chutney. Well guys, if you find this useful, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notifications and share it with your friends and family, and do let me know how you like it. Please write in the comment section, and then the same video is available in 2 more languages. You can check that out. Thank you so much for watching my video.